Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I'm going to share a really simple but effective gardening hack when it comes to watering your cucumbers and your squash. So if you take a look at my cucumbers right now, it looks like just one big solid row of cucumbers. When we go to water, how in the world are you supposed to figure out where to water, because growing through the plastic? So there's only 5 holes here, but where are they? It makes it really tricky to figure out where to water. So my gardening hack is using flagging tape, and what I've done is I flagged, and that's just putting, tape. I just actually rolled the leaf and tied it. As soon as you see that flagging tape, you know that you water right on top or right beside it, and you've hit the hole that's opened in the plastic. And I've done it over here. There's where you water. Move over, there's where you water. And in this one here, it ended up being exactly right above where my hoop is, so I just marked it so you know where to water. And in this case, this one here, I marked the leaf. And what I do periodically is I actually just nip off the top of a leaf, just to keep it from shadowing or shading the flagging tape, so you know exactly where to water. So that makes it just really simple and easy, so you don't always have to find your holes. Now when it comes to squash, now I have my squash racks here, and the squash is going through the racks. Again, there's plastic underneath. Well, how are you supposed to find your holes and where to water? So what I've done, again, utilizing that flagging tape, there's flagging tape right there, so I know, hey, that's where I need to water. And what I do is I do maintenance, and I come underneath and I will remove some of these leaves so the water can penetrate into the hole. So I've got to do that once again. So this one's a little clear, you can see it here, and we look for the flagging tape. Again, flagging tape there, you can notice that they're all in different spots because the holes are all in different spots. And over there, and you just keep looking for that flagging tape, and you know exactly where to water your plants. And it makes it so much easier in the garden. So that's my gardening hack. Simple, but yet very effective. And you can definitely check out our website at everything-homemade.com, and I will see you on the next video.